classroom from VKV Nirjuli. I'm going to present some interesting fact that I read from this encyclopedia. I really find this book amazing because it increased my curiosity to learn new things. I was very curious to know that why some people are right-handed and some are left-handed. This book says if our left part of our brain is dominant, then we are right-handed. If our right part of our brain is dominant, then we are left-handed. The next interesting fact is people sleep fast because they are generally stressed or worried. The next interesting thing is we need to sleep at least 7 to 8 hours because our body needs to repair our cells and tissues that are damaged. And I was also surprised that our brain never takes stress. It works even when we are asleep. Do you know why we need to blink? We need to blink because our eyes covered with thin layers of salty water. Every time we blink, we wash away the dirt. In our eyes to keep it clean. Do you know how big is our eyeball? It is almost the size of almost size of a golf ball. A human being dreams every day about 5 times during sleep, but we may remember those dreams we wake up during the dream. There were some of the facts that I read and found interesting to explore with you all. Thank you.